Hello and welcome to Natural Canada. I am Ed Sandwich and this is my beautiful, sexy co-host, Penelope Bowes.
Hello everyone.
Today we are watching some rather exciting footage of the blue jay, a very rare bird who has flown all the way from Toronto. It is quite exciting to watch him use his beak to drill a hole searching for some delicious Ontario maple syrup.
Actually, Edward, that is a common flicker, a breed of woodpecker, and the blue jay is not rare and does not feed on maple syrup. I think you may be getting confused with the yellow-bellied sapsucker.
Sorry for that little error. I assume this bird is a female, as I do not see any testicles hanging.
Edward, just one more little thing. Birds do not have testicles. You really should do your homework beforehand. The common flicker feeds on grubs, which it removes from infested trees. But this particular woodpecker looks like it is drilling out a nest.
Fascinating. I wonder if that bird is as lonely as I am.
I very much doubt it. If you watch for a little while, you may see the female come and join him. She will be there making sure that he's doing everything right.
Typical female. Now, don't take this personally, but I bet that bird's feathers are almost as soft as your legs. Now, I've never felt your legs before, but I've never stroked a bird either.
Good luck with that, Edward. You'll have more luck with stroking the bird, I can assure you.
Now, do these birds fly?
Didn't you see him fly over here? How do you think he got up the bloody tree? I can tell you about a woodpecker's flight by the several flaps of wings and a dip glide.
Wow, amazing. That's a pretty big hole. That pecker is getting pretty deep in it.
Edward, wipe that perverted smirk off your face. That pecker will make his hole as big as he needs it. And add to that, this particular pecker is of the yellow-shafted race. Edward? Edward, you seem awfully quiet all of a sudden.
Thank you for watching Natural Canada, and we will be back next week with a film clip of Siamese twins.
And hopefully this time he does his homework.